Hi there, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome to you if it's your first time watching. I hope that you'll subscribe and definitely comment and like also. Shameless plug. And I'm here at one of my favorite local thrift stores called the Deseret Industries, and let's go find some home decor pieces, see what we can find. Hi there, and welcome back. Today I have another thrifted home decor haul, and I'm really excited to show you what I got, so let's just get right into it. I've kind of been on a thrifted home decor haul kick, and I found some really amazing things, and there's kind of a theme. Everything is sort of natural colored, like tan and terracotta colored with gold, and then some crystal and glass pieces. And everything fits into that, and I didn't intend that, but that must just be what I'm sort of looking for in the thrift store. All right, this is the very first thing. This is a pottery set, and there's no markings from where it's from or anything, but it looks like it has some French writing. I thought I might paint this black, but the more I look at it, the more I kind of like this like mustard warm color. I feel like it adds a lot of warmth. My home is very modern with concrete gray floors, and I kind of like this idea of bringing in warmth into my space. So love this. So I might do a DIY, but I just figure some like branches or some flowers coming out of it would be a really great look. Or on its own. So love that. Okay, this next piece is like quite stunning. It is a crystal bowl. And a lot of times when you see crystal in a thrift store, it looks kind of like it'd be in like your grandmother's china cabinet. And I like this with the straight lines that do kind of bend. It gives it more of like an Art Deco feel. So I don't know the date on this, or there's no markings of any kind, but to me it reminds me of sort of an 80s version of crystal. So I love that, and I think it would be really pretty on top of books with nothing in it potentially, or like fresh fruit, like lemons on books. That would be really pretty. So yeah, it's really stunning. So all right, the next pieces are a set of 8, and these are chargers, but they have a very wicker handmade feel. I don't think these are anything like high-end or anything. They could have been from, Target originally. I don't know, but we love to entertain and have people over to dinner, and so I thought these would be really great in the summertime, outside by the pool with, white plates. It gives a very earthy, natural color, so love these. And the wicker is very on trend. And again, back to that same like tan color. Okay, and if you've watched any of my previous hauls, I've been on a kick finding these bended glasses, and I'm not gonna show you all of them, but I have now a set of 11. So I kind of want to get one more, and maybe these aren't as original as I thought, since I kind of always am finding 1 or 2 at the thrift store, but they're $1 a piece. It's hard to beat that price. And so like, if you haven't heard me say, I just love this bended stem. It makes it kind of a different take on the glass. So I have a nice large set. You know how you always break one, so I want to make sure I have enough in this set, but apparently the thrifted stores always have them, so I'm sure if I break one, I can find another. But just really fun take on the glass. This next piece, I need to do some research on the brand, but it's a really pretty, again, that gold and that tan color. And when I look on the bottom, it is stamped, which is a good sign. And it says that it's karat gold, 22 karat gold. So I believe this is gold leaf, the top of it. And what's sad is the thrift store had put like tape over it to keep the lid on the bottom, and it ripped up a little bit of the gold leafing, but it's still really pretty. It has that like crackling in the glass. And it says it's the Crown China National Brotherhood Operative Potters from Minerva, Ohio. So I need to do some research to see if this is valuable, and I should be a little more careful with it. But nonetheless, it's beautiful, even if it's not worth anything. Just that terracotta color and the gold, so I'm loving that. Okay, and if you've watched any of my other videos, you'll also know that I've been on a table book kick. And this one is a set of 4. I love, again, that brown. I don't know why I'm so drawn to these earth tones, but these are like history books. They're a Reader's Digest old book of different times in history. So I like that it's educational and, you know, look at that, so pretty. And I just imagine, you know, these books with that on top. Such a pretty look on like a console table. So love that. And then the second book is A History of Art. And again, I'm gonna ditch the sleeve, like that, because I'm looking for, I love that. It has like a fabric top. And again, it's a beautiful book of all different kinds of art. So, love that. And I think I need to be done buying books. I've gotten a little carried away as of late. So I think I'll stop thrifting these unless I find like a perfect one. Then I still might, because I don't know what my needs are yet. I've mentioned in previous videos that we're going to be doing some built-in bookcases. So I'll want to fill them with beautiful books and books that I'm interested in, plus other like fiction, nonfiction books that I'm reading. But yeah, so good addition. All right, and one last thing for the haul, and this one is it's hard to show mirrors because it will just reflect it's hard to look at the mirror itself, but it is a gold mirror, really heavy, really good size, and I have 2 of them. So I'll try to show you. Okay, so hard to show, but here is mirror number 1, and then I have another one, and I have an idea. I love when you put mirrors. I'll put this to the side just so it's not reflecting my outside. So I love mirrors on either side of the bed, and Restoration Hardware does that a lot, like over top of the nightstand or just leaning on the nightstand. And so I kind of want to do those with those mirrors. The only issue is I have wall sconces that we haven't purchased the sconces yet. We're still under construction with our home remodel. And so we have it wired for the sconces. So I'll need to figure out if the spacing works well to have a mirror and a wall sconce. If not, I'll be a little creative. Maybe it goes above the bed, like on the headboard. So, but to get a good mirror that size can be pretty expensive. So I love that they were $10 a piece from my thrift store. So pretty good deal. Okay, that was my whole haul. I hope that what I found gave you some inspiration of what to be looking for. I know that terracotta, tan, earthy tones are really in this coming year. I think people with the pandemic are trying to look into nature and find earthy tones to bring into their home. And I love bringing in those earthy elements into my super modern house to keep it from being too sterile. So anyway, I hope you'll find inspiration here today, and then you'll consider going out to your thrift store and you'll be able to kind of be on the lookout for these kinds of pieces. So anyhow, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye-bye.